12. Deberes en vacaciones. Homework on holiday. Or during the holidays. Lees las opiniones de dos expertos argentinos sobre los deberes. You read the opinions of two Argentinian experts about homework. Let's read through the two texts. Durante las vacaciones a unos niños les gusta ver la tele, otros dibujan y a la mayoría les encanta leer. En mi opinión, es necesario jugar. Creo que los niños no deben estudiar durante las vacaciones. Lo más importante para los niños es divertirse, en mi opinión. So that's Gregorio, and the other expert, Inma, says, para muchos niños las vacaciones son ideales para repasar y es muy beneficioso para ellos. Además, para muchos padres es importante seguir rutinas. Si los niños repasan durante las vacaciones, tienen menos posibilidades de suspender cuando regresan. Now I won't translate that straight away. Let's look at what it asks us to do. Contesta las preguntas en español. Answer the questions in Spanish. And we've got an example. Según Gregorio, according to Gregorio, ¿cuál es el pasatiempo más popular para los niños durante las vacaciones? What is the most popular pastime for young children during the holidays? And the answer that's been given to us for our example is leer, to read or reading. And as we look through Gregorio's text, we can see reference to the majority, la mayoría, le encanta leer, the majority love reading. So notice particularly the format of that example. It's a verb in the infinitive, leer. So the likelihood is that that's going to be the format we need for the other questions. Right, part one. Según Gregorio, so we know we're looking at Gregorio's text, ¿qué deben hacer los niños durante las vacaciones? Escribe dos actividades. So the key thing is, even if we didn't understand what the question was asking us, we know we're looking for two activities that we're going to be writing down that Gregorio mentions. So what sort of activities? Now, there's reference to TV, there's reference to drawing, there's reference to playing, there's reference to studying, there's reference to having fun. Which one do we want? Let's look closer at the question. It says, ¿qué deben hacer los niños durante las vacaciones? What should or what must children do during the holidays? So it tells us no deben estudiar, so we can rule that one out. Let's look at what in his opinion, what he thinks they should do. It says, en mi opinión, es necesario jugar. So there's an activity that we can include as one of our two that they must do or should do. And also goes on to say, lo más importante para los niños es divertirse. So we've got another verb there, divertirse, to have fun. So jugar and divertirse would be the best two responses there. Let's look at part two. Según Inma, ¿para qué son útiles las vacaciones para muchos niños? So we're looking at Ima. We've got the question, according to Ima, we've got para qué, what for? A bit similar to por qué, why? Para qué, what for what purpose? For what purpose are the holidays useful for lots of children? Let's have a look. Now, I suppose even if we hadn't understood the full meaning of that question, the word para leads us to the sort of thing we're looking for. We know we want an infinitive, a verb, and as we look through, we can see para muchos niños las vacaciones son ideales para repasar. So therefore, our answer there, ideally, would be repasar, relaxing. And finally, part 3, según Ima, ¿qué peligro hay para los niños que no estudian? So it's useful to understand the word peligro, danger. According to Ima, what danger is there for the children that don't study? Oh, apologies, I think before I translated repasar as relaxing, should have been revising. Yeah, so we're looking for danger. What reference is there in terms of dangers? Si los niños repasan durante las vacaciones, tienen menos posibilidades de suspender. Now, in terms of, even if you hadn't understood the question fully, you know you're likely to be looking in the second half of Emma's text, because there were 2 questions relating to Emma's text. We know we're looking for an infinitive, a verb in the infinitive. So as we look through, there are only 2 verbs that in the infinitive, in other words, ending in AR, ER, or IR. And those are the 2 responses that we want. So in this case, the danger is suspender, to fail. Danger of failing if they don't revise. So just to make sure you understood fully the 2 texts, just talk you through in English. So during the holidays, some children like watching TV, others draw, and the majority love reading. In my opinion, it's necessary to play. I think that children mustn't study or shouldn't have to study during the holidays. The most important thing for children is to have fun, in my opinion. And Ima says, for many children, the holidays are ideal for revising, and it's very beneficial for them. Furthermore, for many parents, it's important to follow routines. If the children revise during the holidays, they have less possibility of failing when they return.